This next one's called Faith. It's got a little bounce to it. I want to see all the heads in attendance bouncing up and down and moving side to side to this next song. Are you with me, Tulsa, Oklahoma? Josey?
My
special night for another reason. We are celebrating as a band family the birthday of Mr. Jason Creason. So, show Mr. Jason Creason a little extra love as he walks by. Yes, we're celebrating the fact he made it another year around, all right? All right, we're gonna keep it rolling. This next one is one that we call With a Smile. We are 7 Foot Monkey. guys have seen us before? How many of you are seeing us for the first time? How many of you will see us again? Hey man, it's great to meet all of you. It's gonna be a night to remember, yes?
Yeah.
Alright, let's make sure of it. This is a song we call The Own Well. Since I'm no, I'm not well, I might do you good. You can see down your knees on your nose. To make it easier, I'll say it's not your fault. Everyone said this life is good and you're dead. I already waste your wasting time. Yes, you said, sure you said, once 1,000 night is far from over, Tulsa. Alright. I know you got more in the tank. I know we got somewhere else to go, yes? Alright. So, this next song will be released as our very first single. Yeah. We took our time, we worked really hard on it, and we're really excited to finally get something out there so that when someone says like, oh, you're in a band, what does it sound like? And, well, sounds like this. Right. It's some, iPhone video, and they lose interest immediately. This song we call Player X. Woo! All right. so very much. We have one last song for you. Do you have one more in you? That single will be released soon. Go find us on Facebook. Say hello. We'll say hello back. Guys, be safe. Take care of each other. Enjoy the rest of your evening of music. We are 7 Foot Monkey. This song is called Desperate Ways. Everybody hang around for the rest of the band to bring that same energy, yes! Come see us at the merch table. Take care of each other and we will see you in the room.